Today we'll be harvesting a giant Bangla lau.
Oh!
Wow!
Wow! What's heavy here? Oh wow, can you see this?
Hello and Assalamu Alaikum. Welcome to Ali Raja Bagan 2020. I am your host Akibullah.
I'm Ali Raja. Assalamu alaikum.
In this video, we will be harvesting the biggest Bangla lau of this season. It's a giant Khodu. It's so big, it's massive. And we'll also be giving you a update on our chili plants, which we have been growing under the SF2000 Spider Farmer grow light. So don't skip, watch the video till the end, and please don't forget to subscribe. And please don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload. Without further ado, Dad, let's get started.
Let's get started. Now let's give you an update of our chili plant which we are growing under the SF2000 Spider Farmer LED full spectrum grow light. What do you think? Do you think that the plant looks any different than 2 weeks ago?
Yes, I think the plant has grown 2 inches taller than before.
I think you're definitely right. This plant looks much more taller. This is, by the way, we actually growing them hydroponic method. Is in the water. Should we just show them?
Yes.
Do you want to lift the lid up and do it carefully, Akib? So we are using the hydroponic method for growing some of our chili plant under the grow light. Oh wow! Can you see this? This is the root and this is the water, which we have the nutrients in here. Now, hopefully in 2 weeks time or weeks time, I'm going to be making a video how I grow my plants in hydroponic and what nutrients I use for my plants. So that will be a future video to make. So put that back again.
Okay. But Dad, I got a surprise for you. Guess what I found? I was just looking around the plant to see if we have any chilies on them, and guess what I found? We have some chilies on this plant.
Oh. Now after 2 weeks of growing these naga and the green chilies under this SF2000 Spider Farmer grow light, my personal opinion, they're doing really well. They would do better under a grow tent, because in this room there's a lot of light escaping from this room, so we're not getting the full benefit from it. However, I think the plants are doing really well. 2 weeks ago this plant did not have any blooms on them, and the fruiting, I've got about 4 or 5 chilies on these plants, and we have a good news. Spider Farmer decided they would send us a grow tent, and they have sent one, and we received that 2 days ago. So hopefully on the next video we'll be unboxing and setting the grow tent, and we will put these plants under that tent and we'll see how they do.
Today we'll be harvesting a giant Bangla lau. This is the biggest Bangla lau of this season so far. Look how ginormous this Bangla lau is. It's so big. Look, it's massive. It's the biggest Bangla lau of this season so far.
Oh wow, okay, this is the biggest Bangla lau of the season. It does look like a giant.
I know, Dad, it's enormous.
It's you're absolutely right. Now,
so
do you want to take the pleasure of harvesting this lau?
But Dad, I don't want to take the risk. I don't want to drop the Bangla lau onto the ground. So
okay, we can do this.
But it looks so heavy. It looks heavier than the one that we It looks heavier than the Bangla we have harvested a few days ago. So Dad, I think you should take the pleasure of harvesting the biggest Bangla of this season.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
You're going to give me the pleasure?
Yeah, I know I love harvesting Bangla so much, but this one looks so heavy and I don't want to drop the Bangla on the ground because I know this is going to taste really nice.
And this one looks about 2 or 3 inches taller and much heavier than the one we harvested a few days ago.
Yeah, I know. And the other one was also really heavy and tall.
Okay, so we're going to be harvesting the biggest Bangla of this season. Akib is too scared to harvest it, just in case he drops it. So let me take the pleasure. Okay, are you ready, Akib?
Yep, I'm ready.
Okay, so I'm going to cut it just here, and I've got my left hand under the low, just in case. Let me just try to...
Dad, please don't drop it.
I won't drop it. Okay, I'll try not to... Oh my, it's not... Oh!
Wow!
Wow! Look at this.
It's so big, Dad!
It's much heavier than the one you harvested a few days ago.
Oh.
Shall we measure this and
yeah,
weigh this?
let's measure the height.
Let's measure the height and let's weigh it and see how much it weighs.
Oh my god, Dad, that looks so heavy.
I'm quite proud of this.
Yes, same.
Looks pretty good.
Whoa.
Come on, Akib, you can lift them.
My hands are slippery, Dad. It's gonna.
Come on, you're strong enough.
Huh? My hands are slippery. That's
I
why.
know they're both heavy.
I was really sweating when you.
See if you can lift them. Go on.
Okay, ready?
Don't drop them. Whatever you do.
Oh. Dad, I need to hold it like this. Is so heavy.
All right, let's
weigh the
let's
height.
weigh them and measure them. Okay.
Yeah, this is the Bangla that we just harvested now.
So this one we harvested today.
And it looks heavier than the Bangla. This is the Bangla that we harvested a few days ago, and I can already spot the difference.
Yeah, this looks bigger.
Yeah, this one
bit
looks
taller, and this one is slightly thinner. Yes.
But they're still really heavy, Dad.
Both heavy, yeah.
Oh, Dad, my hands are really sweating because when you were cutting it, my heart was racing. I didn't want you to drop the Bangla.
All right, let's weigh and measure them. Let's measure the giant lao. How much is this? It's
26
about
inches.
26.5 inches, yes?
Yes, Dad.
It's about 26.5 inches.
It's so tall. Oh my god.
Now put it on the weighing machine and see how much it weighs.
Hopefully it doesn't break it.
All right. So this one weighs nearly 5 kilos.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, just under 5 kilos. And it's how tall was it? About 26.5 inch.
26.5, yeah.
And the one we harvested a few days ago, that weighed 4.5. Was it 4 kilo? 4 kilo, and it was 25 inches tall.
Yeah.
So this is much taller. This is taller and much heavier than the one we harvested a few days ago. You happy and proud?
Yeah, I'm happy, but Dad, you frightened the life out of me when you were cutting the Bangla. I thought you were going to drop it onto the ground.
I know. It nearly slipped off my hand, actually.
I know. That's why my hands are sweating so much.
Yeah, it's really hot today. So I'm quite proud of this. Are you proud?
Yeah, I'm really proud, Dad.
Oh, that's good. I mean, I know many of you have been asking how we grow our laos and bottle gourd. We made a fantastic video, best way to grow bottle gourd. We'll leave the link in the description down below. Just in case you haven't watched that video, it's a very interesting video for you to watch if you're growing Bangla lao.
If you're interested in growing Bangla lao, it's a must-watch video. We'll leave the link in the description down below, so don't forget to check that out. Guys, look at this Khodu hiding over there. Look.
Oh, this is one of the round Khodu.
Yeah. It's growing really big, actually. We've been blessed this year. We've been getting lots of vegetables from our garden, and we will keep you updated with our garden. I really hope you are sharing my videos. As you know, sharing is caring. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, do something amazing and hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload. Stay safe, Assalamu alaikum, and until then, I'll see you in the next one.
I hope you're enjoying watching our videos. If you do, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up and please share our videos with your friends and family. Happy gardening. Assalamu alaikum, and I'll see you in the next one.